current role is the CEO of Harrison Grierson. However, at the end of last year, I made the decision to step back from that role and transition into a new leadership role within Harrison Grierson. Going forward from the 31st of March, I will be in the strategy and client project space. I believe that we all have to use our skills and time to make a difference in the world. For me, I'm passionate about engineering New Zealand and the things that we can achieve. Over the past 20 years, I've been involved with Engineering New Zealand as a practice area assessor on the Standards and Accreditation Board, so the next step was to become a member of the board where I can be part of making a difference to our industry and the future of engineering. Being a member of Engineering New Zealand is about being part of a community. For me, it's about how we come together as engineering, sharing ideas, discussing the future, and looking at how we can make the world a better place. My goal is to carry on the initiatives and strategies which the board have agreed to over the past few years. Those being a focus on engaging our people, on climate action, and looking at how we are change makers. That focus on diversity and inclusion, sustainability and te ao Māori. I think globally we're facing a number of challenges, from climate change to degradation of our environments, to our infrastructure deficit, to housing affordability and transportation. These are all massive issues impacting on society and the communities that we live in. I see as our role as engineers is to lead the way in how we can find solutions to these problems and challenges that the world face. Engineers are designing and building the future, whether that's software programming or designing buildings. We have a huge responsibility to future generations to ensure that what we do is fit for purpose for the communities that we work in. The initiative helps engineers mitigate, transform and understand what climate change is and how we can adapt and change our thinking around design. The profession can help support diversity, equity and inclusion through the diversity agenda. We're a member of the Diversity Agenda, which is a fantastic organisation which is raising awareness and supporting our members. The strategy is to integrate and embed te ao Māori into the work we do, our profession and the organisations within the engineering space. For me personally, I've been back to university to do te reo and also te treaty courses, just to broaden my understanding. Personally for me, it's important that we get young people into STEM careers. Engineering New Zealand has been doing some fabulous work with the Wonder Project, raising awareness and bringing our future leaders into the engineering space. The Engineering New Zealand board has a number of decisions to make depending on the outcomes of the occupational regulation over the coming years. We've already made some changes last year to our governance structure and the registration authority. However, we're here to support our members into the future. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm really looking forward to meeting you over the coming 12 months and understanding what your challenges and aspirations are for the engineering industry.